Welcome to the 2022 International Conference on Computing Innovation and Applied Physics. My name is Ivo Gantchev. I'm a lecturer at Queen Mary University of London, and I'm very happy to see that so many experts and professionals have chosen to be with us today and share their latest research findings in a wide number of fields related to mathematics, which of course serves as the basis for different subjects. Mathematical and statistical methods are widely used to tackle practical problems. Our conference today focuses on two fields with a very strong mathematical foundation, namely physics and computing innovation. This is an annual event which provides an international platform for communication and academic exchange among participants from different countries and different backgrounds. This gives us the fantastic opportunity to promote academic communication and collaboration worldwide. We hope to give voice to ideas that might help us in the future in terms of tackling problems which have been difficult to solve in the past. This is what makes our conference today particularly important, and why we hope that it will be of interest to both scholars and professionals. We sincerely hope that the discussions we will hold are valuable to you, and that you'll also be able to meet many colleagues who share the same specific professional interests as you. Our conference was supposed to take place in Stanford, California. However, as the participants are very international, and there has been a recent resurgence of the COVID pandemic, we decided that for everybody's safety and convenience, it is more appropriate to make this edition of the conference virtual. Taking this decision has enabled us to have distinguished guests who are global leaders within their respective fields and who will be joining us from different locations today. It is truly a pleasure and an honor for me to introduce some of our speakers who will be sharing with us their latest research at the conference. First, I'd like to welcome distinguished Professor Ranjay Sanka from the Department of Computer and Information Science and Engineering of the University of Florida. Professor Sanka has too many achievements to list here, so I'll just briefly mention some of them. Recently, he won the 2020 Research Impact Award from the IEEE Technical Committee on Cloud Computing, and he currently serves as an Associate Editor-in-Chief of the Journal of Parallel and Distributed Computing, and as an Associate Editor for ACM Computing Surveys, and for other publications as well, including Sustainable Computing, Systems and Informatics, Knowledge and Information Systems, and the International Journal of Computing. He has co-authored one book, 4 monographs, over 300 refereed journal articles and conference articles as well. His work has received over 14,500 citations, and he has an H-index of 61 based on Google Scholar. He has consulted for several startups and for Fortune 500 companies as well. The focus of his current research is the development of efficient computational methods and data analysis techniques to model scientific phenomena, and practical applications of focus in terms of improvements to the quality of healthcare and the reduction of traffic accidents. Today, he will talk to us about edge-based AI for smart transportation. Now, we're also delighted to welcome Assistant Professor Tommaso Cremaschi of the Department of Mathematics at the University of Southern California. He was a Viterbi postdoc at the MSRI at the program Random and Arithmetic Structures in Topology. Before that, he received his PhD at Boston College. He's interested in low-dimensional topology, and in particular, he has been studying hyperbolic 3 manifolds with non-finitely generated fundamental group. He's also interested in higher Teichmuller theory and counting problems on surfaces. For reasons of time, I won't go through the achievements of the other speakers today, but I strongly encourage you to check out the full list of participants that we've provided for everybody. Before we move on to the main part of the event, I'd also like to announce that the papers which have been accepted today for the conference have reached our very high research standards, and they will be published in the Journal of Physics conference series or in Theoretical and Natural Science. I would like to thank once again all of our participants for their participation and support, because without you, none of this would be possible. We truly hope to see you again very soon, either online or perhaps in person. All the best, and please enjoy the conference.